Hello, thank you for joining me today. These affirmations are designed to inspire self-love, confidence, and empowerment. It's best listened to in a quiet and relaxed environment so you can focus on the words. You may repeat after me or simply just listen to my voice. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in through the nose. Slowly breathe out through your mouth. I am worthy of love and respect. I embrace my unique abilities and strengths. My body is beautiful and powerful. I am enough just as I am. I love and accept myself unconditionally. I deserve happiness and joy in my life. I am proud of the woman I am becoming. My imperfections make me unique and beautiful. I choose to be kind to myself today and every day. I honor and respect my boundaries. I have the strength to face any challenge. I believe in my abilities and trust my instincts. I am capable of achieving my goals. I radiate confidence and positivity. I am brave, bold, and fearless. I deserve success in all areas of my life. I trust myself to make the right decisions. I am resilient and can overcome any obstacle. I release self-doubt and embrace self-confidence. I am the author of my own story. I am in control of my emotions and actions. I let go of what no longer serves me. I choose peace over worry. I forgive myself for past mistakes and learn from them. I am free from guilt and shame. I am grateful for the blessings in my life. I focus on the positive and let go of the negativity. I allow myself to rest and recharge. I am patient and gentle with myself. I am worthy of healing and growth. I attract love and healthy relationships into my life. I communicate with honesty and kindness. I deserve to be treated with respect and compassion. I set boundaries to protect my energy and peace. I bring positivity and love into my relationships. I am surrounded by people who support and uplift me. I release toxic relationships and make space for meaningful connections. I give and receive love freely. I am worthy of deep and lasting friendships. I trust the universe to bring the right people into my life. I am capable of achieving my professional goals. My work is meaningful and makes a difference. I deserve success and abundance. I am confident in my skills and talents. I am open to new opportunities and growth. I trust the timing of my journey. I am a leader and inspire others with my work. I celebrate my achievements and milestones. I am worthy of recognition and success. I am creating the career of my dreams. I honor my body and treat it with care. I am strong, healthy, and vibrant. I make choices that nourish my body and soul. I listen to my body's needs and respect its limits. I am grateful for my body and all it does for me. I choose foods that fuel and energize me. I am committed to my physical and mental well-being. I enjoy moving my body and staying active. I am at peace with my body and its journey. I deserve to feel healthy and whole. I am worthy of abundance and prosperity. And freely. I am grateful for all that I have. I welcome abundance in all areas of my life. I trust that the universe is working in my favor. My life is full of blessings and opportunities. I deserve financial stability and freedom. I am open to receiving all forms of abundance. I release scarcity and embrace abundance. I am grateful for today and excited for the future. I am a powerful, capable woman. I have the courage to follow my dreams. I am making a positive impact on the world. I have the power to create the life I desire. I stand strong in my values and beliefs. I am a source of inspiration to those around me. I embrace my creativity and unique ideas. I choose to live boldly and authentically. I am the creator of my own destiny. I am connected to a higher power that guides me. I trust the process of my life. Thank you for joining me today.